One day, a young seeker came to the village, hungry for life wisdom. He asked the old man for the most important advice. The old man led him to the riverbank, threw a stone into the water which disappeared in the swirling depths. He calmly said, "Life is like a river. Each of us is like a stone in its current, sometimes calm, other times stormy. We can resist or flow with it, trusting its strength." The young man understood. Wisdom is accepting change and trusting life's flow. The story spread, reminding everyone to trust life's flow and flow with it.